So I came to this strange world hoping I could learn a bit about how to
BKS,
live and take.
Craig B, what's up?
I'm a new
Yeah, they used to call me the future. A month later say fuck it, I've grown used to them. See, they use me, they made a new me. Though I recite it like it's Lucifer's loose leaf. But you ain't never pleased, maybe I should leave and find a new port and I don't mean no Lucy's.
안녕하세요, 비펠라입니다. 오늘은 에어포스1 코코아 전체 복원을 해보겠습니다. 코코아라고 부르는 이유는 나이키에서 뱀피 패턴을 코코아라고 칭했기 때문에 영어권 명칭은 에어포스1 코코아입니다. 2001년에 일본에서만 발매된 모델이라 우리나라에서는 에어포스 뱀피2 co.jp라고 부르며 co.jp를 줄여 코즈비라고도 하고 뱀피 코즈비라고도 불립니다. 해당 모델은 2001년에 나온 모델 뱀피2 오리지널 버전에서 레트로된 2005년판 버전입니다. 사진에서 보듯이 2001년판과 2005년판의 가장 큰 차이점은 신발의 전체적인 쉐입과 힐컵 안쪽의 부분이 다르지만 결정적인 부분은 뱀피 패턴입니다. 오리지널 버전이 뱀피가 더 예쁘고 희소성이 있다고 해서 시세는 더 비싼 편이고요. 개인적으로 나이키 에어포스1을 좋아하는 사람으로서 예전보다 에어포스가 인기가 많지 않아서 개인적으로 좀 안타깝네요. 신발을 보면 우선 중창의 변색이 굉장히 많이 진행된 걸 볼 수 있습니다. 다음으로 어퍼 부분에 까짐이 있는 걸 볼 수 있고요. 혀 부분 또한 까짐이 있네요. 그리고 이 부분을 보면 전체적으로 깨끗하나 중창 변색이 심한 걸 볼 수 있습니다. 이번 복원에서 첫 번째 스텝은 어퍼 부분에 주름이 심하니 먼저 한번 펴보겠습니다.
I know there's people who need it. I just hope that it's right that I lead them. I hope you got something bigger planned, cause lately I'm questioning everything. But I know that we came too far to go back, just hoping that you don't stab me in the back.
You do this, put me through this, all I wanna do. I'm tired of saying you love me and hate it. All I wanna do is move. All I wanna do.
주름을 폈는데요. 결과를 보면 주름을 펴기 전보다 주름이 많이 펴진 걸 볼 수 있습니다. 다음은 엔젤러스 디글레이저로 페인트 칠할 곳을 닦아보겠습니다. 그럼 빠르게 한번 날아가 보겠습니다.
When they come, and they will, they'll come for you.
I have an army.
We have a Hulk.
Oh, I thought the Beast had won it off.
You're missing the point. There's no throne. There is no version of this where you come out on top.
Let me infiltrate the beat, concentrate the heat. If you ain't on my level, fuck it, let me be. I'll be going till it's all in motion, talking killing rappers. Then I hit my quota, and my train of thought is more a locomotive. Talking reason for it, I got locomotives. Used to be on a revenge tip, on a stun on my ex and a friend's tip. I was Spider-Man whipping the black suit. I was powerful, but almost lost Luke. Blurring the line between human and artist. Try not to change, but I swear it's the hardest. I swear when you're up, they turn you to a target. Home was a trip, I like it when I'm talking. So, what it take to be an icon? All in your desktop, so I just might already be one. My me with the label, it feels on the table, one sign, but I'm down for a free lunch. Just speaking my heat-seeking missiles of hits, but other than me, I see no heat exist. Yo, gassed up, I'm about to go green, go green, go green. Hulk smash if she know me, know me, know me. Write it to life like I'm Stan Lee, Stan Lee, Stan Lee. If life's about to be a cold war, I'm the hero that they asked for. Green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go.
이쑤시개로 막힌 구멍을 뚫어주겠습니다.
Go green, 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 green. I'm about to go, I'm about to go green, green, green. Get the fuck back, I'm about to go green. I might begin making a feature a rack. Cause when I
페인팅을 다 마쳤으니 피니셔로 코팅을 해볼 건데요. 크라일론 매트 피니쉬로 무광 질감을 만들어 보겠습니다.
Cause that verbal visionary, criminally literary, spit it clever, bitches Webster, you could check me on the dictionary. Under author credits, I'm the author, get it? Mine sharper than the cutlass that I'll saw your head with. So authentic, Donald Trump is my apprentice. Shaved his fucking comb over off his head and made my exit.
마지막 스텝으로 바디의 뱀피 부분과 검은 가죽 부분을 링크 오일을 발라서 영양 공급과 코팅 처리를 해보겠습니다. 그럼 빨리 넘기면서 보여드리겠습니다.
I don't give a damn what your friends say. I saw you at MK last Wednesday, chillin' with no chicks but 5 dudes from Penn State. You know the ones singing the old 21s and the Beyoncés, touching each other with mics beyond gay. And I don't mind gays cause they don't do the tough route. Only the weak overcompensate trying to rough out. They think they men cause they sleep around with Koreatown sluts that walk around 30-second drunk with the juts out. You know the type, loud as a motorbike, step to the wrong bounce, got slumped from the model for the night. Good night. That's what happens when you keep running your speaker box. Probably got cocky cause he signed a bet at Equinox. Allow me to chop it up in the street like allow me. My boys are rowdy and ready to buck whenever there's haters around me. You don't mess with my homes, they treat you like Rousey. You wake up at home groggy and drowsy.
Shaking it up. Don't got the ding dong dang rapping on the street, bro. You know what I'm saying? The ding dong dang rapping, you know? Whack ass lady. Whack ass lady. No talent having. No skill, no heart having. I don't give a fuck.
Downshifting on these clown bitches. Nissan 300 CX, I went pound a clutch. My flow's a knife to your crew. Don't be mad that a Korean spits nicer than you. You heard?
Invincible, untouchable, invincible, untouchable.
What up, Jay?
Invincible, untouchable,
Yo, ass
invincible, untouchable.
Team backpack, you already know what it is. Bad rap, baby.
Invincible, untouchable. Invincible, untouchable.
What I gotta do, let y'all niggas know I am the nicest.
Invincible, untouchable.